We are a product engineering services company that works with customers to turn their ideas into tangible products. We provide a range of services that vary from hardware design, embedded software, application software, mechanical design services, all the way to production. Over the last 7 years, we have been partnering with Qualcomm and helping customers across the globe by using various Qualcomm platforms ranging from the 400 family, the 600 and the 800. And what you're seeing here are some of the system on modules that we have created on various Qualcomm product families ranging from the 400 series to the 600 to the 800. And this also includes the reference design kits which are available at the Arrow website. We have addressed the needs of customers in varied segments which include consumer electronics, home appliances, medical devices, gaming, industrial, automotive, to name a few.